Hey there! Need to cancel subscription with Namecheap? It's simple process and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Ready to get it started? First things first, go to namecheap.com and log into your account. Here I have already logged into my account and this is how the dashboard of Namecheap look like. Now you can see several options on your left hand side. There's dashboard, expiring, domain list and hosting list. What we need right now to cancel the subscription is hosting list. Go to the hosting list. And over here you can see all the subscription that you have subscribed for. Right now mine is empty because I haven't subscribed to anything right now. However, I can help you with the process. After you are in this page, you can see renewal setting. It may be on because you are used to using the subscription. To cancel the subscription, simply turn it off. After that, Namecheap will probably ask you to confirm your cancellation. Maybe with a little pop-up window, just confirm it. And that's all, there you have it. You should get an email from Namecheap confirming the cancellation. You did it. Easy peasy, right? That's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.